Hey guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries. So here, just for me personally, the Sandgate Auto Electrics night that we had of all nights, we'd just say for us, our 50 years in business. I just want to personally thank you, and also for my family, for attendance. One of the biggest things that we had approximately about 200, 250 people there. We weren't counting, so we think there might be average over that 250. Looking by the bar takings, it probably could have been. So, but also some of the people there on the evening, we'd like to thank Fat Cat, which is our Greg Ritchie out there, former Australian cricketer, did an MC and did the auctioneering. Mate, thank you so much, brought it all together. Made a few tears come to a few people's eyes for different reasons during the night. Also, our sponsors, guys, what you did for us this year was absolutely amazing. What that did for the RFDS was bring well over $40,000 worth of value this year in actual donations across the board, from monetary donations to also auctioneers, and also the people that are at the event. You would have seen our children running around there selling some raffle tickets, and sold out of 800 raffle tickets. So thank you guys for getting on board with that. And then we had the opportunity of people running around with tins and taking money with that, which is throwing hard-earned cash into that. So guys, absolutely amazing what happened on the evening. We'd like to thank Carly for the beats on the night. They had the dance floor filled and kept everyone going, and all the staff at Hamilton Hotel for helping us out. So please, just one of our biggest things for us is the Royal Flying Doctor Services. Don't just hold it at this one event. Something we'd like you to keep doing and appealing for over future years. They do so many good things. So guys, thanks very much. Mum and Dad also had a brilliant night, which is what we're there for, so thank you. Have a great day. Christmas coming soon, guys, so enjoy that. 10 weeks I've been told, so it's something that's pretty dangerous in its own way. So if you need anything done, come down and see us. Have a good day. Thank you.